Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best mirror dash cam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best mirror dash cams to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 12-inch car rearview mirror. Specifications. Brand name, null. Pixels, 1200 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Display size, 12-inch. Chipset manufacturer, ZX. Display, IPS. Weight, 1.2 kilograms. Number 4 is HGDO M210. Specifications. Brand name, HGDO. Aperture, f2.0. Pixels, 1200 mega. Touchscreen, yes. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Special features, G sensor. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, SONY IMX415. Display size, 11.26 inch. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, SunPlus. Display, IPS. As the item number 3, we've selected A8 4CH dash cam. Specifications. Brand name, OBDPK. Pixels, 1200 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 4. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Display size, 11.26 inch. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Display, IPS. Number 2 is ASDOM PG17 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, ASDOM. Aperture, 1.8. Pixels, 800 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, SONY STARVIS 2 IMX678. Display size, 12-inch. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display, IPS. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1130 g. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Wolfbox G900. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Pixels, 1200 mega. Warranty, 1 year. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 3. Display size, 12-inch. Battery built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Display, IPS.